In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to remove vomit or sick from a carpet or rug. If you are right now in the position where your dog or cat or human has puked on your carpet or rug and you don't know what to do, this video is for you. Carl here from Cleaning How To, taking what's old and making it new again. To clean vomit from a rug or carpet, you're going to need a few items. A wet vac, any size of wet vacuum will do, so long as it can suck water. Some rubber gloves, because we're going to be dealing with a biocide, which is the vomit, so we don't want to get vomit on our hands. Some peroxide. I'm using an Astonish oxy-action powder, a small sponge, and a bucket with 5 litres of hot water and a good scoop of biological washing powder. Now, it's really important that you're using biological washing powder here, because the biological powder has enzymes in it which will digest the contaminants in the vomit. The peroxide is to neutralize the bacteria and get rid of the smell. The wet vac obviously is going to suck it all out again. The first thing we're going to do is add our peroxide into our biological powder mix. So I'm going to take a scoop and just dump it into the water. The water also has a full scoop of the biological washing powder. I'm going to clear off the area. You can see the patch of vomit on the rug. Put my rubber gloves on and then going to stir the oxy action or the peroxide to activate it and dissolve it in the water. So we now have an active cleaning agent in our bucket which is going to deal with the vomit. It's actually pretty smelly, so I'm hoping now in the next minute or two that's going to get rid of the odour first. And what I'm simply going to do is a generous amount. Now this is a synthetic rug, so it's going to tolerate a lot of moisture in it. So I'm going to get a generous amount and simply sponge it into the area. And actually I can already see that the peroxide has changed the colour of the vomit because it's working away on that organic staining. And straight away the vomit odour is releasing, the smell is going, which is really good. So we know it's working, the smell is going, it's no longer stinking. It's pretty stinky in here a minute ago. And I'm going to trace across the areas of the rug that had the vomit in it and sponge that into the area. So as you can see, I'm putting a generous amount of the cleaning agent into the rug. That water is going to act as the carrier to remove the vomit out with the wet vac. And actually I've got really clean bits of the rug. This rug is actually used as a dog bed, so it's covered in pet greases. I'm going to do another video, which I'll link at the end of this one, cleaning the entire rug with a variant of this particular solution using my shop vac. So that staining is completely released, and what I need to do now is vacuum out the mess. I'm going to turn my wet vac on and vacuum it out. The vomit is now completely gone. I'm going to check the backing as well to see if it's actually gone through to the back, but as I can see, my cleaning mixture has gone right the way through to the back of the rug, so that's going to have neutralized all of that puke, which is great because it's not going to stink. That's worked really well, and the rug doesn't smell of puke, and trust me, I wouldn't be putting my nose in that if it did. I'm going to continue on cleaning this rug, and I'm going to do a video on how to clean a synthetic rug from start to finish, which is popping up on your screen right about now.